Hi, today I want to give you a wonderful update on native mobile apps built in Wized and Webflow. This is amazing. So as you can see, I have my mobile application that was 100% built in Wized and Webflow on my home screen. And this is not a PWA. This is a real native Swift-based application running on my iPhone. So as you can see, I have remove app. This is the proof that this is a real native application, not just a website running as a bookmark. So let's open this, and as you can see, it is incredibly fast, and it works with all native Wized features, and there is a real sync between the Wized embed and the native app running here. So as you can see, this is a full example right now for FaceID. I built it that way that in order to change your username in this application, you need to verify it by a password. And your password is your face, or for the older devices, your fingerprint. This is, by the way, automatically overrolling depending on what iPhone they're using. If they support Face ID, it will use Face ID. If they not support Face ID, it will use Touch ID or whatever, password, and so on. This is amazing. So check this out. I want to change my username, and now it will say verify your identity. We will be doing a Face ID scan to check if you are the authorized account owner. So let's start Face ID, and you will see that this will now trigger the native Face ID functionality running fully locally on my phone, but communicating in real-time synchronicity with the Wized application, the Wized embed. So let me start the Face ID, and the moment the Face ID is verified, it will, communicate with Wized and tell Wized, authenticated, this is happening. By the way, we're not sending any sensitive Face ID information to Wized nor to your backend. This all happens locally because privacy is an important thing, and we don't want to, have this information go to us. We want to have all of that run locally for security reasons. And it will also still protect us because, their face may change, and Apple has their algorithm in place, to handle all of that. So now, once my face is verified, I'll be able to update the username. So let's just do WizedDev1. Let's go and set name, and that name has been updated using Face ID in a fully native built-in Wized mobile application. And now let's just actually cover the camera, and let's try verifying Face ID. And it will not work because I just covered the camera. You see here, I'm covering the camera. It will not work. Let's try again. It will not work. And then you just cancel, and it will say, it's not you. We could not detect your face. Isn't that amazing? If it's really you, please try again or contact us. So now I'm just saying, it's me, okay? Calm down. Let's start Face ID again. And it is authenticating me. And only when it is authenticated, my face is my password that has been validated, then I will be able to do certain things within my mobile application built in Wized. So this is super exciting. And also, while we're already on it, we see powered by Wized. If I open the powered by Wized badge, again, this is not behaving like a mobile application. This is a real mobile application. So I will have, the mobile dialog for doing those things. I can share the page. You see all of those things, right? So this is the mobile dialog for doing things. This is a fully native mobile application built in Wized and Webflow. And, I think it has been always a dream to build mobile applications that you can publish on the App Store in Webflow. And now, thanks to Wized and this wonderful technology, it is possible. And of course, I also want to point out that, I built this tool that will help you do this. And if you want to sign up to get access to the tool to turn your Wized and Webflow web application into a native mobile application right now for iOS, but Android is coming a few weeks later on after it is fully released, please go into the description and, fill out the Google form for early access, and I will send you personally an email once it is available, and you can sign up to convert your web applications built in Wized and Webflow and MemberStack now. We support MemberStack fully natively out of the box to a native mobile application that works beautifully. It is a real native mobile application built in Webflow. This is amazing. And also thank you so much to the Wized team for answering all my questions about the embed, for always being so responsive, always being so helpful, and also empowering me to build this for you, for the community. Thank you so much. And also a wonderful update. I'll be making a video on in-app purchases and on other cool native features soon. And I implemented this Face ID with just like a line of code. This is like basically no code. And you could technically even set this up just, using directly in Webflow. You still need Wized to handle most of the things, but you could even add, the certain attributions directly in Webflow. It is really built super lightweight, and it uses the Wized JavaScript API to make those things possible. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if you have any ideas, if you wish any additional features on there. And I expect this to be out there for you to use and to convert your applications into mobile applications in the next few weeks, and I'll keep that updates coming to you. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate that. I cannot emphasize enough how thankful I am to have such a wonderful community around me and the Wized team around me to always be so supportive and helpful for all the crazy ideas that I want to do, and apparently mobile applications is one of that. Thank you so much for making this possible. I really appreciate you all, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.